We wanted to view this new construction home for sale in Rialto, California. Come join me in this beautiful model home tour. It is located in Adams Grove by Crestwood Communities. It's a gorgeous 4-bedroom, 3-bath house with a loft. Residence 4 is the largest of their floor plans. This model house for sale measures 2,201 square feet, has a 2-car garage, and features an open floor plan. The living room has high ceilings and lots of windows to let the light in. It joins a beautiful dining area and opens up to the gourmet chef's kitchen. The kitchen features sleek countertops and appliances such as a gas range, dishwasher, and microwave. It has plenty of cabinets, a double bowl sink, and a large center island with a breakfast bar for casual dining. The kitchen also has a USB plug charging station and direct access to the 2-car garage. The home includes pre-wiring for telephone, cable television, and high-speed internet access. Upstairs features a loft, great to use as an extra family room or game area. It was also a builder's optional 5th bedroom. The 1st bedroom upstairs features carpet, a closet, and windows. The guest bathroom has a sink with cabinets, a toilet with a full-size bathtub and shower. The centrally located upstairs laundry room has cabinets, a utility sink, and washer-dryer hookups. The 2nd bedroom features carpet, a closet, 9-foot ceilings, and windows. This stunning master bedroom suite includes high ceilings, windows, and an attached ensuite bathroom. The elegant master bathroom has a separate soaking tub and a shower, dual sinks, recessed lighting, and tile flooring. There is also a large walk-in master closet and a private toilet area. The home also includes green features, such as dual-glazed low-E windows, high-efficiency toilets, low-flow faucets and shower heads, and a tankless water heater. There is also a 4th bedroom downstairs with a large window. And is adjoined to the downstairs full bathroom. This gorgeous home is truly an entertainer's delight. It is located in Adams Grove, which is a community of 75 newly designed homes. It is conveniently located near the 10, 210, 215, and 15 freeways. There is also a refreshing association pool with tables and lounge chairs to lay on. It would be a great spot to sit, relax, and enjoy our beautiful Southern California weather. The community has a children's tot lot with slides and picnic tables. If you're interested in buying a home in Rialto, California or surrounding areas, please contact me. I would be honored to help you find the home of your dreams. Suzy Valentin, 951-907-4020. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.